Yes, New Valley was affected. There was ashfall, heavier than was in Metro Manila but less, of course, than in Tagaytay. The thing that I feared most that did not happen and I think will not happen was the fear of the flying hot boulders. Everything at that time was exaggerated. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. In this video, I will share with you a question often asked of me by my friends, clients, and even subscribers of this of our channel. Yan. So the question is, how was New Valley affected by the Taal volcano eruption in 2020? Yes, New Valley was affected. No? There was ashfall, heavier than was in Metro Manila but less, of course, than in Tagaytay. But did you know that in some areas of Tagaytay where Taal volcano was, there were areas that weren't affected or a bit affected because of wind direction. So in that eruption, the wind direction at that time was probably going towards New Valley and Metro Manila. That's why it's affected. The thing that I feared most that did not happen and I think will not happen was the fear of the flying hot boulders going to New Valley. That was the main fear because everything at that time was exaggerated. So it did not happen. I don't think it will happen because it did not happen near Taal volcano, nor it will happen in the future. Another discovery, the value of estate living was reinforced, re-emphasized, and made clear. The importance, the value of estate living. And someone was in charge. The developer was in charge. The developer had the resources to help in the clearing, re-establishment of electric service, internet service, all the water service, hindi na-interrupt, no? So, Ayala Land had the personnel, the trucks, backhoe, excavators, the generators that was needed in the clearing and the restoration of normalcy of the area. So, I will post some pictures here or some videos. Yan. Yung nakikita mo yung resources nila to effect the normalcy of the area, no? Versus if you were living in a non-estate, you will be sort of left on your own. So it's up to you to call up the local government. Of course, they prioritize the really areas that are affected. Yung restoration of electric service, you have to line up, and to the internet service as well. Because in estate living, Meralco, PLDT, and the like, they have dedicated teams just for New Valley. Yes, I know that for a fact. Yon. So, yun ang unang pumunta dito during the Taal volcano. I saw 5 to 10 the giant Meralco trucks with poles. They went around the area to restore services. How they restored it, as another trivia, one picture here. I will post here. Power was restored already. Meron ng source, but they had to clean the transformers individually. Dahil daw yung ashfall, it's a conductor, it will spark. So we were, in our village, we were counting down because we were being updated in the Viber group chat. May Viber group chat along with the admin. They said it was 20 transformers to go. It was a fun thing, no? Every 3 minutes, it was down from 20, 19, 18, until it was 0. Nag-on na siya. So that's the value of the estate living. The second question, follow-up question there, would you still recommend New Valley as an investment or an end use after the Taal volcano eruption? I would say resounding yes. Na-reinforce pa nga because prices have continually gone up since 2020 after the eruption. People from Tagaytay, maraming doon, were trying to relocate in New Valley. Maybe word got around that we were taken care of during the Taal explosion. So I would highly recommend. There was no attempt on anyone. Wala akong alam na, wow, Taal volcano happened. This happened in New Valley. I gotta move out. People are still coming in. In my village alone, there are 44 constructions, houses that are being built. There are other plans being submitted for approval. Yun. So yun muna. I hope I answered your question. Realtor Mike saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.